Live in luxury and color at University Pointe in Lubbock. This student living is designed to elevate your university experience with all the best in life. These 2 to 4 bedroom apartments offer spacious beds, walk-in closets, roomy dressers, cozy study nooks, sleek dining tables, and balconies to unwind. Your kitchen is fully equipped for all your culinary adventures. Rent includes reliable Wi-Fi, electricity, and on-site laundry, so there are no surprise costs. Study smarter in shared workspaces with IMAX, then sweat it out in the gym or hit the basketball and sand volleyball courts for game time. Dive into the pool or fire up the barbecue for a weekend feast with friends. With pets welcome, secure parking available on site, and 24/7 staff support plus courtesy patrol, living here is a blast. Best of all, Texas Tech University and Lubbock Christian University are just moments away by car, so getting to class is lightning fast. And with buses from Broadway Street and Avenue X, exploring the city is effortless. So, book your spot at University Pointe in Lubbock via amberstudent.com.